Many companies still use outdated systems, manual processes, slow workflows, disconnected tools. This slows growth. A digital transformation consultant fixes this. They help companies move from old systems to digital systems. They analyze current processes. They identify inefficiencies. They recommend technology solutions. They guide companies through change, cloud migration, automation, data integration, digital strategy. They work with executives and IT teams. They align business goals with technology. They measure results after implementation. This role requires strategic thinking, strong communication skills, understanding of business operations, basic knowledge of modern technology tools. They work in consulting firms, tech companies, and large enterprises. Any company going digital needs this role. Salaries range from $90,000 to $160,000 per year. Senior consultants earn more. Demand grows as industries modernize. This job matters because companies that fail to adapt fall behind. Digital transformation keeps businesses competitive. Subscribe to Future Work now for more future jobs explained.